He grabbed it, Mom.
Did he?
Yeah.
Did you give it to him?
There's a circle. There was a big toy. And this circle that causes those legs. Okay? And the big toys first.
Giving him big toys first?
Yeah. Now I close the legs.
Close my legs. All right. What are you going to get for him?
Toys.
Toys. All right. There's a little guy. Say 5 months old. Yeah. Yes. Oh, don't throw it, baby. You have to bring it over to him. Can you put it in his hand for Mommy?
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice. You're so nice for sharing, honey. See, you have the nicest brother. He keeps bringing you toys to play with.
Oh, no, Mom.
What happened?
I broke it.
You broke it? You need Mommy come fix it?